another short tutorial. Today we'll cover how you can use Inqqa if you already know what you're looking for. The themes and topics are already known to you and you want to use that knowledge already fast within Inqqa. So Inqqa has been designed to help you as a professional connect the dots in surveys and market research. It works through 3 simple steps: connect your data, select what matters, and impress with insights. So today we'll be working with our employee engagement dataset, but you can use basically any dataset. So one of the questions we regularly get from our clients and users is that sometimes they already have a pretty good idea what they're looking for. So of course you're familiar with the interface where you can use your mouse, right click and add your themes and topics to your data. But there's a faster way to do it if you already know what you're looking for. It's a functionality which is available through the magic button, so please click on the magic button. There we go. And you probably know that you can use the generative AI to automatically detect your relevant labels, or you can import labels from a previous project. But a button less known is define labels of interest by hand. If you open that screen, you'll get a little bit more a technical interface, but you can see here that there are a few examples which are provided for you as an inspiration. So if you already know what you're looking for, you can just type in the label and provide a single example or a couple of examples, and that will be added. So for instance, if you are familiar with the term remuneration and you have some examples: salary, payment, end of year bonus, benefits, you can just add them using the semicolon here and then add them to this text field. So let's work with an example, and let's keep it simple, because you don't need to provide a lot of information. A few terms are more than enough. So I'll copy paste what I've prepared and walk you through it. Right here I have defined communication and transparency as communication, use of the semicolon, transparency, leadership, just leadership, and basically I've just used the terms and their direct words in order to add this. So after I will click this button, set manual label, you can see that the labels here have been defined. And I can just use my regular process, apply the magic and see what happens. So let's do that and see what will happen. And give it some time to process. And here we go. You can see that Inqqa has done a pretty good job in capturing these terms just by providing 1 or 2 words for each label. So that's a nice functionality. In case you know the themes and topics you're looking for and know some words, but we have another way you can use it. So let me reset this one. So back to the gray overview. If I again hit the magic button and go back to the define labels of interest by hand, it's also possible to provide complete sentences from your data or from some other data set, and I will show you an example of that as well. So I'll just copy paste and walk you through it. So for instance, here for communication and transparency, I have taken 3 examples out of my data set. Communication with management must be developed. So this is an actual sentence from my data set. Effective communication with management is important to me in building my future with company. So these are real examples from my data set. You can take them from any kind of other data set as well. And it's quite powerful because with just a few examples you will get very nice results and a very quick starting point to work from. So I've done this for all my themes and topics, so stability and security, there are a few examples. And just in the same way that you have defined the single words, you can use multiple words or even sentences. So let's do it again. Set the manual label, these are the same labels, and let's apply the magic and see what happens. A little more processing, we're almost ready. And there we are. So also a very good starting point. be sure to check it. Be sure to follow your due process in inspecting and checking what the AI does, because you are the expert, you remain in control. So this gives you quite a handy tool to work faster with Inqqa if you already know the themes and topics you're looking for and have some information about them. So I hope this will help. Stand by for any other how-to videos, and if you haven't started with Inqqa already, you can request a free trial on our website, and otherwise, good luck getting these nice insights from your data. Bye!